Angela. I'm gonna do just a quick, I really want to try a jiggle pour and see if I can make it come out not looking like female anatomy. That's my goal. So I'm gonna just use up some of the paint I had from the one I did the other day, and yeah, this should probably go pretty quick, I'm guessing. So I will list what I can in the description, and let's get started. If there is one thing I need to adopt as a motto in 2021, it is to put the torch down. I wanted to just kind of torch this little area here, and the way I was holding my torch, it ended up torching all this. So I got all these tiny little bubbles. I'll take you in for a quick close-up. These cells are from the Extreme Sheen. I did not put any silicone in here. This is all Floetrol and water. But see all these little teeny tiny little cells. I had a big loop of something over here, which is why I was kind of picking at it at first. But some of that Extreme Sheen popped through over here too. So we'll see what develops overnight. I don't know if it'll grow too much more, but I think my center doesn't look entirely like female anatomy, so I am pretty pleased with that. I think the color combo is kind of fun. It just looks like a weird underwater something. I think it's kind of cool. So we'll see how it dries. Stay tuned.